Alright, so we have the Hart 4 amp hour 20 volt battery taken apart here, and it's ABS plastic like usual, same as their cheaper batteries, and no cooling type stuff or anything, just basic plastic inside the battery. And the circuit board looks decent quality. There's some burn marks being made, and they got some stuff to cover the electronics there, a coating, but the connectors are decent quality, straight to the circuit board there, and yeah, they have a lot of model numbers etched into them for repair. We got a built-in fuse right there, and yeah, so if this fuse pops, it's over. Whole battery pack's done, which is kind of silly, but it's a safety precaution. So standard TTI quality for the battery, pretty decent, and we got a model number there and all that stuff. So, the welds are done pretty decent quality. Same old, same old. No name on the battery though. 2 amp hour 18650s. Just another cheap off-brand Chinese battery with some basic plastic casing holding them together. So, not the most durable battery pack and not the greatest quality cells. And you are paying a lot of money for these batteries. So, it's a pretty high profit margin on these Hart batteries because they're not good quality cells, but at least they're put together well with a decent circuit board on it. But you know, TTI is going to make sure it has good electronics in it. But yeah, that's about it. The little circuit board that tells you the percentage is there, just a really basic and cheap. You have to hold it down to see anything. That has a TTI model number on it as well, so everything is in-house made by TTI. So, not worth the money. If you can find a deal on these like I did, $100 for the charger, 2 4 amp hour batteries, and another tool. Just look out for the deals, but don't pay full price for these batteries. They're not worth $80 a piece. $80 per 4 amp hour. If you have a DeWalt, you can pay that much for a DeWalt battery or a Milwaukee battery that uses quality Samsung cells, but not these. But yeah, that was just a quick look into the 4 amp hour Hart batteries.